Saffron, the world's most expensive spice, is a marvel of nature and human effort. It is derived from the delicate flower of Crocus sativus, a plant that blooms only for a short period each year. Commonly known as the saffron crocus, this labor-intensive spice has a long history of use in traditional medicine and culinary arts. Its vibrant crimson stigmas, meticulously hand-harvested and dried, are a testament to the dedication and skill required to produce it. These stigmas hold a treasure trove of potential health benefits. For centuries, saffron has been revered for its mood-boosting, cognitive-enhancing, and aphrodisiac properties. Modern research is beginning to unravel the scientific basis for these traditional uses, providing a deeper understanding of its effects on the human body and mind. Shedding light on the remarkable potential of this ancient spice, studies have shown that saffron can promote mental well-being, reduce symptoms of depression, and even support eye health by protecting against age-related macular degeneration. Saffron's therapeutic applications are vast and continue to intrigue researchers worldwide. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a valuable addition to modern medicine. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of saffron, exploring its remarkable health benefits and how you can incorporate this golden spice into your life for optimal well-being. Whether in your cooking, as a supplement, or in a soothing tea, saffron offers a myriad of ways to enhance your health and happiness. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining emotional well-being is paramount. Saffron, with its rich history in traditional medicine, offers a natural approach to uplifting mood and alleviating symptoms of depression and anxiety. Studies have shown that saffron, particularly its active components crocin and safranal, can have a positive impact on mood regulation. These potent compounds influence neurotransmitter activity in the brain, particularly serotonin and dopamine, which play crucial roles in mood balance, feelings of happiness, and overall emotional well-being. Saffron's ability to modulate these neurotransmitters makes it a promising natural remedy for those seeking to enhance their mood and manage mild to moderate depressive symptoms. Our brains are constantly bombarded with information, making it essential to maintain optimal cognitive function throughout our lives. Saffron, with its remarkable neuroprotective properties, has shown promising results in enhancing learning, memory, and motor skills. Research suggests that saffron's active compounds, particularly crocin, exhibit antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects in the brain, protecting neurons from damage and promoting healthy brain function. Studies have demonstrated saffron's potential in improving memory recall, attention span, and overall cognitive performance in both healthy individuals and those experiencing age-related cognitive decline. Moreover, saffron's potential benefits extend to supporting brain health in individuals with neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, although further research is warranted. Saffron has long been recognized for its aphrodisiac properties, and modern science is beginning to uncover the mechanisms behind its effects on libido and sexual function. Studies have shown that saffron, particularly in men, can enhance erectile function and improve sexual desire. These effects are attributed to saffron's ability to increase blood flow and relax blood vessels, promoting optimal blood circulation to the genitals. Furthermore, saffron's mood-boosting properties can indirectly contribute to improved sexual well-being by reducing stress and anxiety, which can negatively impact libido. While more research is needed to fully understand saffron's impact on female sexual health, preliminary findings suggest potential benefits for women experiencing sexual dysfunction related to antidepressant use. A shield against toxins, saffron's liver-protecting properties. The liver plays a vital role in detoxification, filtering harmful substances from the bloodstream and maintaining overall health. Saffron, with its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, has demonstrated promising potential in protecting the liver from damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress. Studies have shown that saffron can protect the liver from damage induced by various toxins, including drugs, environmental pollutants, and heavy metals. These protective effects are attributed to saffron's ability to scavenge free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote the regeneration of liver cells. Incorporating saffron into your diet may be a valuable strategy for supporting liver health and promoting optimal detoxification. Saffron, a guardian of eye health. Our eyes, responsible for our precious sense of sight, are constantly exposed to environmental stressors that can contribute to age-related vision decline. Saffron, with its rich antioxidant profile and unique bioactive compounds, has emerged as a potential natural remedy for protecting eye health and managing certain eye conditions. Studies have shown that saffron can improve visual function in people with age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Saffron's active compounds, particularly crocin and crocatin, exhibit protective effects on retinal cells, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation associated with AMD progression. A healthy heart with saffron. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, highlighting the importance of maintaining cardiovascular health. Saffron, with its multifaceted benefits for the circulatory system, has garnered attention for its potential to support heart health. Studies have shown that saffron can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve blood flow, all of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. These beneficial effects are attributed to saffron's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, as well as its ability to improve blood vessel function and reduce platelet aggregation, which can lead to blood clots. Incorporating saffron into a heart-healthy diet may be a valuable strategy for supporting cardiovascular well-being. Alleviating menstrual discomfort. Saffron for PMS relief. Premenstrual syndrome, or PMS, affects millions of women worldwide, causing a range of physical and emotional symptoms that can disrupt daily life. Saffron, with its mood-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties, has shown promise in alleviating PMS symptoms, offering a natural alternative to conventional treatments. Studies have shown that saffron can reduce symptoms such as mood swings, irritability, anxiety, depression, and headaches associated with PMS. These effects are attributed to saffron's ability to modulate neurotransmitter activity in the brain, particularly serotonin and dopamine, which play crucial roles in mood regulation. Restful nights and weight management. Saffron's additional benefits. In today's fast-paced world, getting a good night's sleep and maintaining a healthy weight can be challenging. Saffron, with its calming and appetite-regulating properties, may offer potential solutions for these common concerns. Studies have shown that saffron can improve sleep quality, promoting relaxation and reducing insomnia symptoms. These effects are attributed to saffron's ability to increase serotonin levels in the brain, promoting a sense of calmness and facilitating sleep onset. Furthermore, saffron has shown potential in aiding weight management by reducing appetite and cravings. By promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing snacking, saffron may contribute to a healthier relationship with food and support weight loss efforts. Saffron in your diet. Practical tips for incorporation. Incorporating saffron into your diet is easier than you might think. This precious spice, often referred to as red gold, is not only prized for its unique flavor, but also for its numerous health benefits. Its unique flavor profile, a delicate balance of earthy, floral, and slightly sweet notes, can elevate a wide range of dishes. Saffron's versatility makes it a perfect addition to both sweet and savory recipes. From savory stews and risottos to aromatic rice dishes and fragrant desserts, a pinch of saffron can transform your culinary creations into gourmet experiences. Imagine the rich, golden hue it imparts to a creamy risotto or the subtle, exotic aroma it adds to a delicate dessert. To maximize its flavor and aroma, lightly crush a few saffron threads and steep them in hot water or broth for about 15 minutes before adding them to your dish. This simple step ensures that the saffron releases its full potential, enhancing the overall taste and visual appeal of your meal. This allows the saffron to release its vibrant color and infuse the liquid with its unique flavor. The resulting infusion can then be used as a base for soups, sauces, or even beverages like saffron tea. Remember, a little goes a long way with saffron, so start with a small amount and adjust to your liking. Overusing saffron can overpower your dish, so it's best to add it gradually and taste as you go. Enjoy experimenting with this luxurious spice and discover how it can elevate your everyday meals into extraordinary culinary delights. A word of caution. Consult your healthcare provider. While saffron is generally safe for consumption in moderate amounts, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating it into your diet, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, taking medications, or have any underlying health conditions. Pregnant and breastfeeding women need to be particularly cautious, as their bodies are more sensitive to dietary changes and potential interactions. If you have a medical history or chronic conditions, your healthcare provider can help determine if saffron is safe for you. Saffron can interact with certain medications, potentially altering their effectiveness or causing side effects. High doses of saffron can have adverse effects, including nausea, dizziness, and even more severe reactions. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as medical advice. Always seek the guidance of a qualified healthcare professional for any health concerns or before making any decisions related to your health or treatment. Personalized medical advice is essential for safe and effective use of any dietary supplement or herbal remedy. Your healthcare provider can offer tailored advice based on your unique health profile. Remember, the key to safe and effective use of any supplement, including saffron, is to consult with your healthcare provider. They can provide the best guidance to ensure your health and well-being. If you find value in this information, please like, subscribe, and share with family and friends.